Right, go on then. So here's the next question. Can it go on a dyno?
Yes.
Boom, boom, shakalaka. Randy Krumanaka.
Lovely.
That's one hot parking attendant. Now, there is another little surprise today, James.
What, you got donuts?
It's better than donuts.
Oh.
It's actually in the back of the van.
Oh, you got a gatto. Let's better have a look then, haven't we? Oh no.
Well, good morning and welcome to another sunny, glorious day in Bristol town. We're down at JHS Racing and so apparently the bike is all done and I've just caught a glimpse of it, just parked outside, and it's looking incredible. So let me flip round here and show you the bike, and then we'll go and find James and get him to tell us what he's done. But look at this, hang on. Woof. Woofington Stanley. There she blows. Oh my God. How lovely does this look? Absolutely gorgeous. All the head covers have been done. Got the fresh Supercorsa SPs on it. Chains on. We are absolutely cooking on gas here. All the hoses are on, and yeah, honestly, it looks incredible. Right, let's go and find James, and he can run us through all the stuff. I think he's even jacked the rear up, because that looks much better than it did before. Maybe today, maybe we're going to get it on the dyno. Oh look, he's there. You happy?
Yeah, it's lovely.
It is absolutely...
Oh, you're on, I thought you were on about me.
Yeah, well, we're always happy.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Yeah.
It's turned out very, very nice indeed.
Come on, let's take us round. I was kind of expecting to turn up and it still be in bits.
Well, it was a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, your indicator issue.
Yeah.
You had no fitment in there for a bulb,
Yeah.
so that's why it wasn't going to work.
Yeah.
Completely stripped down as much as we would want to go for major service. Belts, valve clearances, clutch out of it. Cam covers were re-powder coated. Oh, the clutch.
Yeah.
Not the clutch cover. The alternator cover had a crack in it.
Right.
That was one of your oil leaks.
Okay.
Subsequently, I was able to weld that up, and then we had that re-powder coated,
Lovely stuff.
which looks brand new again now. Because they always flake off paint here
Yeah,
and
yeah.
so
Oh, that
forth
looks
and so on.
amazing, yeah.
And we cleaned up all the sandcast crankcases.
Oh.
So that looks nice. All new genuine Ducati water hoses, all the way round,
Oh.
which are lovely. We've had all the linkage out of it, greased all that up, lubed all that up. New chain and sprocket kit on it as well. Made some small adjustments to the fairing brackets because they were a little bit twisted. It's just age.
Yeah.
And you know, little bits where we didn't have nice nuts and bolts, so we put some in there for it.
Oh,
And
look at you. Attention to detail, maximum. And
painted,
also...
painted these as well, and titivated.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. You've absolutely gone to town.
Yeah, it's just nice. Like the front mud guard, which you weren't entirely happy with. I've tried to do the best I possibly can in order to get it to fit, and I think it looks all right now.
Yeah, no one will know,
Put some nice,
apart from everyone watching this.
well, yeah.
But it saved us 350 quid.
Yeah. Brand new Pirelli tyres on it.
Yeah, they're looking lovely. I like the new, they've gone with this little red sticky thing on the side. I think it looks really nice.
Well, it gives us a racy feel in it, because the
does.
race tyres have little stickers you have to put on circuit-wise to allocate your number and so forth. Put right angle valves in it as well.
Oh, lovely.
So you haven't got to mess and fluff around putting air in.
And it looks like she's sitting up where she should be. She's jacked up a bit.
Yeah, I put 2 Miller Rider on it,
Yeah.
and it certainly picked her up, and she feels a bit more sure-footed underneath it when you sit on it now. It
Yeah.
feels like a racy bike,
Yeah.
whereas it was a bit flat and a bit soggy before.
Mate, you've done an absolute spectacular job.
We've got to put a number plate on it.
Yeah, I think I found my one. It's not a Ducati one though, by the looks of it.
Oh, isn't it? Oh.
No, it looks a little bit Timu. But let's see. It might not even be for the right bike, but I'm pretty sure. If not,
I got one here. We can.
Yeah, I'll just steal yours.
I've got one here. You can borrow one.
No. You don't think?
All right. Okay.
Yeah. So I think it just sits in there.
Well, put that back on then.
Yeah, I'll find an original one.
Yeah, because they come off of here.
Yeah, there's quite an elaborate. It's quite an
and
elaborate
then
thing.
they come down. It's a lovely thing. I've got one in there, and then you got the reflector for it as well.
Well, there's one right there. Let's have a little look.
Yeah, that's got it on.
Yeah. Weight saving though. Weight saving. I really want to clean your bike.
Yeah, so do we. So yeah, repaired the under seat of the seat because it didn't have a bolt in it because that was all broken on the seat.
Yeah.
Plastic welded all that up. Did everything it needed to be doing.
Oh.
But the main thing is, we got rid of every last gold screw, bolt, nut that was on it.
Exactly. Are we going to buymygold.com to get our money back?
Got to be something like that. It was full chav mode.
It was.
Full chav mode.
Just need to find these some heel guards.
Some nice original heel guards.
Yeah. And she's looking absolutely lovely. It suits you, this bike, James. It suits you.
Well, that's just as well because I've got two of them.
Yeah. When are you going to do yours?
Next.
Good. Well, I'm glad it's inspired you.
Oh, without a shadow of a doubt, I've got to do them now.
Yeah.
Because we're going to go for a ride.
We are.
Might go on a track day.
Let's do it.
Like a nice, gentle, classic track day.
We'll go to the Ducati track day. I think there's another one coming up later this year. Yeah. That'd be nice.
Have a little sniff of this.
Oh man, amazing. So, so here's the next question. Can it go on a dyno?
Yes. Willie's got something on at the moment. He's going to take it off for us, and we'll run it on a dyno and see how much it's making. It's quite warm today. We got a bit of a sticky tyre on there, but you know.
I mean, it's not. You don't buy this bike for power, do you? But it's how they run.
No, but they do make power.
Yeah. What are you going to guess? What are you going to reckon?
Well, I think anywhere between 130, 135 would be really nice, but as I say, it's boiling hot day.
Yeah.
It's getting warmer. It's coming up to midday now, which is stupid heat time.
It is rather another little heat wave in the UK.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's wheel her inside and see what she's making.
See what it does.
Can't wait, mate. Thank you so much.
It's all right, dude.
Bop.
Love it.
Hang on a minute. We haven't started it yet.
Do you want me to start it?
Yeah. She's going to come. She lives. Oh, what a lovely tone. What a lovely... Hey! Oh, can we put a ticket on it as well?
Yeah, we can do that today. It's a nice noise, isn't it?
Go on. She sounds lovely, mate. Really nice. Feels really free, like it spins up real free.
Feels just like a Ducati 999R.
Yeah, that's funny that. Boom, boom, shakalaka. Randy Crewmanaka.
Lovely.
Right, go on then. That's one hot parking attendant. When was the last time you dynoed a 999R then, James?
Like 10 years ago.
Yeah. People don't tend to want to stick them on a dyno and rev the tits off them, do they?
No, they don't.
But we're confident.
Yeah, this would be fun. This would be fun. It'll actually do it some good.
Let's hope so. Okay, so James is strapping her down now, and let's see what we make. I'm going to go, I don't think it's going to be 130. I think I'm going to go 128, be quite conservative. So let's see. Either way, I don't really care what the power is. It's not a bike for that. It's a bike to really enjoy and love riding. So let's crack on. got some fuel in it. So, hot day, 126,
Yeah.
are we at?
Yeah, 126.
126. That's all right.
That'll
It
do.
sounds lovely, smooth, beautiful.
It feels phenomenal.
Woof.
It's lovely.
Oh, he's dropped
Oh,
the
dear.
headphones.
It wants riding now.
Yeah.
Want some fuel in it and riding.
Let's go and enjoy it.
Woohoo!
Well done. Well done. It's hot in here, isn't it? Let's open
Yeah.
that door.
It's
Open
hot.
the doors. It looks so cool, even just sat on there.
It's a very much a thing of beauty.
Yeah.
I still cannot understand for the life of me why people back in the period said these are not proper Ducatis and so forth and so on, and they go, oh no, it's got a Cyclops headlamp. It's just beautiful bikes.
Well, but you know what the lesson there is? Just don't listen to people.
It's just a beautiful bike.
Because, I mean, I get it to a degree. I get it, you know, it doesn't look anything like the 916, but how could you follow the 916?
Well,
Like,
you can't. They
You
followed
can't.
it all through. They put a deep sump motor in it, done this, done that. It reached the end of its life.
Yeah,
They have to radically change.
yeah. To win races, and that's exactly what it did.
Yeah. And it was the most successful Ducati of all time for a long, long time.
Yeah. Oh, I just can't wait to see this. So we're going to do a track day, are we?
Yeah, I'd love to do a track day. Get mine out as well.
Let's see if we can get on the Ducati track day this year. I think there's another one coming up in a couple of months.
The next month, both my two will be done.
Look at that.
So we can do a back-to-back test with the 999Rs for the different years.
Yeah.
So you got like the 04 one, you got my 05 one, and we got a 749R.
Perfect. That's got YouTube Gold written all over it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mate, thank you so much. I appreciate
all
you.
right.
I
I've enjoyed
appreciate you. Well, I'm glad you've enjoyed it.
I have really enjoyed it.
It's nice working on nice bikes, though, isn't it?
It is nice. It's methodical work, which is not every day chuck a pair of tyres on, do some brakes. And this is very methodical. And you're looking at everything. Looking for the worst case scenario, trying to find a way through it all. And it's been really a great pleasure to do it.
Well, it's been our pleasure to watch. So thank you very much, guys. And I guess now, let's go and ride it. It sounds like the handlebar rubbing cabling's been redirected as well. That sounds a lot better.
We just lubed everything up a little bit, give it a bit of a lubrication. Put a number plate on, we put a ticket on it now.
Right. Oh, where is the number plate?
You didn't bring a number plate.
No. I've got one in the van. I've got one, actually. I've got the other one.
It's just not for this bike.
It's just not for this bike. Now, there is another little surprise today, James.
What, you got donuts?
It's better than donuts.
Oh.
It's actually in the back of the van.
Oh, you got a gatto.
Yeah, I mean, it's chocolatey.
Oh. Chocolatey.
It's a Japanese gatto.
It's not a Jaffa cake, is it?
It's not a Jaffa cake, no. That's not a Japanese delicacy.
Let's better have a look then, haven't we?
So as
Oh, bloody hell.
one beautiful, triumphant story kind of ends.
Oh no.
The revisiting begins.
I thought we'd seen the back of that.
No, it's back. It's back.
It's back. Back again. No, that's all right.
The Project Fireblade. A lot of people who've been asking about this, and it just kind of got forgotten. But
It got stagnated, didn't it?
It got
because of other
stagnated.
things going on.
But we got to finish what we started.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get this out of the van now, go over it, figure out where we left off, and then
Work a game plan out to move forward to get it done and get on track with it.
exactly get it sorted because it needs to be done. And at the moment, you tell us in the comments below. But I think I'm going to sort out a raffle for this bike when it's done because it is a nice bike. Underneath, it's going to be a nice little bike for someone. So yeah,
Maybe a cracking bike. We sort all the little bits and pieces out for it. It's a nice, iconic Fireblade.
yeah, it's an underseat exhaust superbike.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like that?
Everybody loves a classic now.
100%. And it's got some awesome parts on it. It's got some amazing Hell calipers on it, master cylinders. We've got new chain and sprockets. It just needs finishing. So let's wheel her out, and we'll go through it. Have a look.
Straight in the biffer bin.
Wheel her out straight into the bin.